Hello world, hello my dear YouTubers, welcome to this channel, and I'm Natalia, your personal travel guide and insider in Belarus. In this video we will talk about international flights, new rules of entry, lifted COVID restrictions and opened land borders. Let's start. I know that this year won't be quite popular among foreign tourists to visit Belarus due to well-known reasons. Unfortunately, we are losing the third year of tourism, but it's life. I already trained my state of acceptance in this topic. But nevertheless, there are many people, or not many, but there are people who want to come to Belarus to visit their friends, their girlfriends, to come with travel plans and so on. Well, opening of land borders. Yes. From the beginning of April, our land borders, which were closed almost during 1 year and a half, finally they are opened. They are opened for foreign visitors, those who want to come to Belarus with touristic purposes. So it means that you can come by bus, by train, by car. The most important thing that you have to know about entry via land border, that you must have visa stamped in your passport. So visa-free entry rules don't work in this land border crossing for now. Maybe in the future it will be changed, but for now, if you're coming to Belarus through land border, visa is required. But there is an exception from this rule, and now I will explain you this situation. If you want to come only to visit Grodno area or Brest area, Grodno region or Brest region, here I'm showing it on the map, you can use visa-free entry with duration up to 15 days. I will leave the link where you can check the information about such travel opportunity. So this information will be helpful for you if you plan to visit friends in Grodno or in Brest. But if you plan to go to Minsk, these visa-free rules for Grodno and Brest regions don't work for you in this case. Hope that in coming future something will be changed and people will be able to come to Belarus using visa-free option, no matter in which area you're planning to be or where you're planning to travel. But nevertheless, our Grodno agencies and Brest agencies, they really keeping fingers crossed and hoping to have at least few tourists from European side. Another important thing which you have to know about, that if you come only to Grodno or to Brest region, you must have the invitation, kind of a voucher from Belarusian side or Belarusian agency. The price usually of this voucher is something like 20 euro. This is the paper which you have to show at the border that you are coming with tourist purpose. If you need help to find such an agency, you can contact me and I will send you the link of the some links of the agencies in Grodno or in Brest. I wish you guys to travel to Belarus this summer. So another topic, lifted COVID restrictions in Belarus. Yes, from the beginning of April, all the restrictions are lifted in Belarus. What does it mean? People can arrive to Belarus for different number of days, and there is no self-isolation which was required, but just on the paper, you know. So if you plan to come to Belarus, PCR test is required. It has to be not older than 4 days, so up to 4 days, and with such document you can enter Belarus, but it is important to have it. I will leave the link below this video where you can check the current information about PCR tests and rules of entry Belarus through airports or through land borders. Just check the links. As well as I'm planning to leave the link about traveling to Grodno and Brest regions using visa-free option, which is valid up to 15 days of for duration of your travel. Well, about international flights. There is not a big choice which company, which airline to use to come to Belarus, and for now we have the connection left for people to arrive to Belarus via Istanbul and Dubai. Both flights are operated by our local company Belarus, so you can find the tickets of this company in internet, and that's how you can come to Belarus in April, and probably it will be the same situation in May 2022. What about Turkish Airlines? Till March of this year they actually provided to the market all the flights through Istanbul with not reasonable prices for tickets, but nevertheless people could use this opportunity to come to Belarus. But since the beginning of March they keep cancelling all the flights. I checked the information that they canceled all the flights till the middle of May. Probably they will prolong this cancellation, but I hope that in summer they will start operating with Minsk again. If you have any questions about visiting Belarus and so on, please guys leave your comments below this video. I will make new videos about these topics, and I hope that this information is useful for you and will be really helpful for you if you plan to come to Belarus. Stay tuned, stay on the channel, and hope to see you in Belarus. Bye.